Hello everyone. Hi. This is Ritu ma'am. How are you all? I hope you are having a great time. And I have come up with something very exciting for my children. And this is the sound challenge. Now in the sound challenge, I will give you a sound every week on Tuesday, and you have to think of maximum words with that particular sound. If the sound is, say, the first sound of Jolly Phonics, so you have to frame it in a sentence, and you have to practice it couple of times before ask your parents to shoot your video. First step after that is you have to follow Phonics Mantra page, that is our class page on Facebook, and then you can also follow on RV Phonics on Instagram. After that, you have to upload your video. Ask your parents to upload your video and tag Phonics Mantra, Ritu Verma, RV Phonics, and write your name over there. And I'm going to select the best video, and the best video will get a star badge. Isn't it exciting? So get on, keep it watching. Bye.